The Barty Boy 101 is a servant bot, also known as a modern mobile entertainment servant, or as I like to call it, Einstein's mess. This device is the result of a mind meld between the three Louisiana Tech engineers, Gavin Sykes, Rico Menez, and Dallin Moore. The idea was first introduced to them by Dr. Heath Timms when he briefly made a comment about needing something cool and valuable at some of the Co's events. After much thought and consideration, they realized that a common problem or altercation that could be derived from such a proposal was the need for servants at events to serve different things to any guests that may be attending. At any proper social event, food and drink would normally be provided, or even a game or maybe some type of announcement. And normally you would need a servant or some other type of person to provide these things to your guests while they know about your event. However, with the Barty Boy, that is not the case.
Man, really wish I had a drink right about now.
The Barty Boy 101 is designed to drive itself around while reading and taking in its surroundings, to make decisions on where it should go and what it should do next.
Yo, a drink came to me.
That way, whenever you get thirsty and you need something else to drink, it can bring whatever you need to you and deliver it. For instance, like that, the Barty Boy 101 can drive around reading when and where someone may need something. And after someone loads it up and gives it what it needs, it can drive it to you easily and calmly, stop when it gets there, and wait, giving you time to take whatever you need off the top and interact with it before driving off and leaving. It also has functions that will be explained later, where it will not run over your furniture or run into the
Alright, so how does this sucker work, you might be asking? Well, using these various little sensors on the side over here, it detects distance on all four sides of the robot to figure out if there's an object in the way or if there's a wall. Using those sensors, it figures out, which way is the best way to go and controls all these little servos that are located all the way around the robot to get to drive around. So for instance, if it drives into a corner, it'll know to either turn left or right based on where the corner is. That way it can get itself unstuck and continue driving around the party. Also, there's a little speaker in here. That way while it's driving around, you get to blare your favorite tunes.
Barty Boy 101 used a series of different disciplines to make its final design. The first discipline is mechanical engineering, to build the framing and the structure along with the design for the wheels and placement for cargo and speaker. The second discipline is electrical engineering, used for the wiring and hookup of the servos and speakers that allow it to read and detect movement, motion, and give it power to the rest of the system. The third and final discipline is cyber engineering, which is used for the coding and mechanical movements of all of the design. It's what allows the ping sensors, servos, and anything electrical on it to function properly without messing up. Boy 101, in conclusion, is a wonderful product designed to serve you, whether it's drinks, food, music, anything you want it to serve you without running over your toes, your furniture, your guests, and provide you a wonderful time at any event you may have.
Hey, yo, sponsor us so we can make the real thing, because this is a tiny square model.